go.
Watch number 552, effective until 8 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in Pennsylvania: Adams, Berks,
Yep.
Lancaster, Lebanon, Schuylkill, and York. For the development of severe weather, including a large damage.
Why are you...
in close to the watch area?
Why are you so loud
While
now?
severe weather may not be, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm warnings. Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Rappahannock County in northwestern Virginia, central Fauquier County in northern Virginia, north central Culpeper County in northern Virginia until 5 p.m. At 4:09 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles northeast of Sperryville, Oregon, 15 miles west of Warrenton, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Warrenton, The Plains, New Baltimore, Opal, Calverton, Flint Hill, Washington, Vietown, Hackney's Crossroads, Amosville, Casanova, Jeffersonton, Crest Hill, Orlean, Turnbull, Meadowville, Rock Mills, Airlie, and Ada. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Loudoun County in northern Virginia, southeastern Frederick County in northwestern Virginia, northeastern Warren County in northwestern Virginia, Clark County in northwestern Virginia, northeastern Rappahannock County in northwestern Virginia, northwestern Fauquier County in northern Virginia, northwestern Prince William County in northern Virginia, southeastern Jefferson County in the Panhandle of West Virginia until 5 p.m. At 4:14 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Berryville to 6 miles north of Delaplane to near Hume, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source: radar indicated. Impact: damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Leesburg, Broadlands, Lansdowne, Brambleton, Ashburn, Purcellville, Berryville, Middleburg, Round Hill, The Plains, Delaplane, Linden, Hume, Oatlands, Bluemont, Belmont, Marshall, Chester Gap, Boyce, and Hamilton. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Stafford County in northern Virginia, northeastern Orange County in central Virginia, southeastern Fauquier County in northern Virginia, southeastern Culpeper County in northern Virginia, southern Prince William County in northern Virginia, the southwestern city of Manassas in northern Virginia, north central Spotsylvania County in central Virginia until 6 p.m. At 5:15 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles east of Culpeper, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damaging winds will cause some trees and large branches to fall. This could injure those outdoors, as well as damage homes and vehicles. Roadways may become blocked by downed trees. Localized power outages are possible. Unsecured light objects may become projectiles. Locations impacted include Dale City, Lake Ridge, Lincoln Hall, Bealton, Manassas, Independent Hill, Nokesville, Remington, Catlett, Calverton, Midland, Elkwood, Stevensburg, Roseville, Everona, Casanova, Locust Grove, Flat Run, Heflin, and Dunavut. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail, damaging wind, and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning are occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning.
All right.
State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for East Central, Schuylkill County in central Pennsylvania until 6:45 p.m.
All right, no FMs.
6:09 p.m. A severe thunderstorm was located over Snyder's, moving northeast at 40 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source,
Come on, 120, really?
Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Coaldale, Snyder's.
Power outage might have affected you, I don't know.
Stay inside a well-built structure and keep away from windows. Very heavy rainfall is occurring with this severe thunderstorm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. for the following county, Schuylkill, Pennsylvania. The National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Dauphin County in
Here we go.
Pennsylvania, northwestern Lancaster County in south central Pennsylvania, southern Lebanon County in south central Pennsylvania, north central York County in south central Pennsylvania until 7 p.m.
Oops.
A severe thunderstorm was located over Midtown.
I'll come back to them.
35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour in gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lebanon has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Dauphin County in south central Illinois. The National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm. This includes the following into Dauphin County in south Pennsylvania until 7 p.m. At 6:18 p.m., 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Interstate 83 from mile markers indicates for me forget. It's a state inside a well-built structure and quarter-size hail. Windows. Source, radar indicated. Thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 for the following counties: Dauphin, Lancaster, Lebanon, and York. 285. The National Weather Service in 33 has issued a well-built structure and mile marker 8. Interstate 83 from mile markers 26 to 33. Stay inside a well-located over Maytown, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to mile marker 8. Interstate 83 for mile markers 26 to 33. Dauphin, Lancaster, Lebanon, and York.
That was 4.
Dollars of term insurance may only cost you marker 8. Interstate 83 for mile markers 26 to 33. Stay inside a well well-built structure and keep away from windows. Financial assets. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7 p.m. for the following counties: Dauphin, Lancaster, Lebanon, and York. Southern Lebanon County in south central Pennsylvania. North central York County in south central Pennsylvania. 7 p.m. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Hunterdon County in northwestern New Jersey, southwestern Warren County in northwestern New Jersey, Berks County in eastern Pennsylvania, Lehigh County in eastern Pennsylvania, northwestern Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania, northwestern Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, north central Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania, southern Northampton County in eastern Pennsylvania until 8 p.m. 40 miles per hour. 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations and tactics include Allentown, Reading, Easton, Bethlehem, Pottstown, Forks, Emmaus, Wyomissing, Northampton, Quakertown, Percy, and Wilton. Pottstown, Forks, Emmaus, Wyomissing, Northampton, Quakertown, Percy, Wilson, Washington, Hellertown, Birdsboro, Kutztown, Fleetwood, Sinking Spring, Laurendale, and East Greenville. This includes the following highways. Interstate 78 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 41 and 76. Interstate 78 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 11. Interstate 176 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 1 and 11. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. In addition to large... For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring. In storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning. The following is a severe thunderstorm watch from the National Weather Service.
Well, there you go.
Northwestern Hunterdon County in northwestern.
What the heck is this? Okay, weird. How the heck did that get an SVR over that static?
The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay north of Fools Island, Maryland until 9 p.m. Dauphin, weather northeast at 35 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by sudden higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Locations of tactics include Turkey Point,
Oh boy. Yep, here too.
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Newcastle County in northern Delaware, Fred County in northern Delaware, northwestern Kent County in central Delaware, northeastern Kent County in northeastern Maryland. Until 9 p.m.
I hope that's not a storm.
7:56 p.m. Severe thunderstorm was located over Bedford, or 9 miles southeast, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Middletown, Smyrna, Clayton, Lebanon, St. George's, Sassafras, Mount Pleasant, Woodland Beach,
Excuse me.
Spring, Delaney Corner, Massey, Kennedyville, Townsend, Galena, Odessa, and Chandler. For your protection, move to a hotel room on the lowest floor of the
Oh, don't go away now, KEC.
large hail and damaging winds. Frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9 p.m. for the following counties in Delaware, Kent, and Newcastle, and Kent, Maryland. The affected areas were Chesapeake Points in North Beach, Maryland, Chesapeake Bay north of Fools Island. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for
What?
Queen Anne's County in northeastern Maryland, northeastern Caroline County in eastern Maryland, Kent County in northeastern Maryland.
There's also an SVR for
until 9
Cecil.
p.m. At 7:58 p.m., a severe thunderstorm is located over Rock Hall, or 11 miles northwest of Centerville, moving at 25 miles per hour. 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Centerville, Chestertown, Centerville, Rock Hall, Churchill, Millington, Sudlersville, Old Town, Langford, Wilton, Donkey Point,
Oh, come on.
For your protection, move to the lowest floor of the building. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9 p.m. for the following counties in Maryland, Caroline, Kent, and Queen Anne's. Severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Hartford
Alright,
County.
whatever.
Thunderstorm was crossed
Marine.
at 3 p.m. to experience.
Yep, KEC is also going off.
National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from North Beach to Drum. Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay from North Beach to Drum Point, Maryland. Chesapeake Bay from Pools Island to Sandy Point, Maryland. Chesapeake Bay from Sandy Point to North Beach, Maryland. Chesapeake Bay north of Pools Island, Maryland. Chester River to Queenstown, Maryland. River including Baltimore Harbor until 9 p.m. At 8:04 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from nearest Miller Island to Poplar Island, moving east at 30 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Source, radar indicated. Impact, boaters and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessel. Locations impacted include North Point State Park, Chester River, Eastern Bay, Sandy Point State Park, Severn River, Bloody Point Light, Thomas Point Light, Poplar Island, Parsons Island, Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a special marine warning for Chesapeake Bay, Queen Anne's County in northeastern Maryland, southwestern Caroline County in eastern Maryland until 9 p.m.
You beat me to it.
At 11 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Tillman Island, or 12 miles west of Easton, moving east at 25 miles. A severe thunderstorm was located near Tillman Island, or 12 miles west of Easton, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Easton, Talbot, Trapp, St. Michael's, Preston, Oxford, Tanyard, Tillman Island, Skipton, Copperville, Matthews, Southtank, Hamilton, Windy Hill, and Cordova. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. In addition to large Windy Hill and Cordova. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9 p.m. for the following counties in Maryland, Caroline, Queen Anne's, and Talbot. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm.
Stay here.
Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 7 miles east of Chase City to near Boynton to 10 miles southeast of Clarksville, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Severe thunderstorms will be near South Hill around 8:40 p.m. Cross around 8:45 p.m. Broadneck around 8:55 p.m. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Wilbur, Beechwood, Bowen Corner, John H. Kirkman, Northview, Murrayville, Fortville, Rogers Corner, Richardson, and Bracy. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415 or send to the National Weather Service Radio Facebook page or using Twitter at @SaveFieldBus. Severe thunderstorm watch number 553 remains in effect.
Wow. Yeah. I'm somehow DXing KZZ28.
Thunderstorm was located near Sharpstown or near Hurley, moving east at 30 miles per hour.
I was a little late, but sorry.
60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Georgetown, Seaford, Millsboro, Laurel, Federalsburg, Milton, Selbyville, Bridgeville, Delmer, Dagsboro, Gumboro, Sycamore, Blades, Frankfort, and Bethel. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 10 p.m. for the following county: Sussex, Delaware, and Caroline, Maryland. Here is the regional weather forecast. For the eastern The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a special marine warning for Delaware Bay, coastal waters from Little Egg Inlet, New Jersey to Fenwick Island, Delaware, out 20 nautical miles until 11 p.m. At 9:30 p.m., severe thunderstorms capable of producing waterspouts were located along a line extending from near Bowers Beach to 7 nautical miles west of Slaughter Beach, moving east at 25 knots. Hazard, waterspouts, wind gusts 34 knots or greater, and small hail. Source, radar. Impact, waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Brown Shoal Light, Bowie 3SB, Slaughter Beach, Capes and Lopen, East Point, Woodland Beach, Miami Light, Brandywine Shoal Light, Ocean City Reef, Overfalls Shoal, The Lump, Cross Ledge Light, 14-foot Bank Light, Great Egg Inlet, Bowers Beach, Rehoboth Beach, Cape May Point, Ship John Shoal Light, Wildwood, and Portesk Beach. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. The severe thunderstorm warning for Sussex